I have made a potato, green pepper, and avocado salad, and I'm going to show you how I made it. It's going to be really quick, but it's really good. So what I did was I first chopped up an avocado and I put it in a bowl and squeezed a little bit of lime juice over it so it wouldn't oxidize, and acidity goes really well with salads. I cut up a potato into small chunks and I cooked it with some green peppers, green bell peppers that I also chopped into small chunks. And I cooked it in a pan using some extra virgin olive oil, my favorite. Avocado oil also is great. And then, once that was fully cooked, I placed that on top of the avocado, put a little bit of cheese, any kind. I ended up using mozzarella rather than this Parmesan, but this is an option. And added some ranch, and then buffalo wing sauce. The reason I added the buffalo wing sauce was because there was no actual meat in this recipe, and I just felt like this would kind of add in that kind of other flavor, and the ranch would balance it out a little bit. And you know what? I was right. It worked. So just a really quick, good recipe for you all, and I will put the recipe in the next card. Hi, so it is currently nighttime on Sunday, August 8th at 10:52 p.m. I am incredibly tired. However, I just wanted to say a little bit about today's day and this channel. So I'm going to start with, today wasn't that interesting. I just had a little bit of things here and there. Hopefully these next couple of days of filming will be more interesting. In the meantime, I want to talk a little bit about what I want from this channel, just to figure out what I want from the channel, and hopefully it'll spark the interest of someone out there. So, hi. I pretty much just want to help. I think I just want to help. I am in high school, and I have a lot of interests that have to do with lifestyle. And I happen to know how to do a fair amount of things that people around me, my friends, have no idea how to do. And it's stuff like clothes and makeup and hair and cooking and sewing and just like really small basic stuff that I've always known my entire life, but I realized that isn't common. And I started teaching them how to do things, and I thought, you know what, I like teaching, maybe I should make videos about it. But not just how-to videos, because I'm not that good at things, okay? I have no idea what I'm doing. I just have the basics. And that's pretty much what I want to do on this channel. I really like the idea of having little vlogs and having little Q&As and talks and just lifestyle styled videos. As well as I love the whole like really pretty aesthetic vlog stuff. But I want it to be more interesting than that, so I want to have, you know, little like how to do this, how to do that. And that's what I'm going to try and do with this channel. I'm going to try and make these cute little vlogs or cute little talkings for help for school and friends and drama, and just like I want to be like, you know, the older sister that you may not have, or the older sister that you just want to learn from, because I'm not the best at anything, but I know a little bit of everything, so I can give everyone the little basics. I also really enjoy talking about hair, makeup, nails, fashion, clothes, all of that stuff. So hopefully in time I can teach you like best ways to study, how to deal with drama, how to make a scrunchie, how to make healthy lunches that are realistic, because I don't know about you, but sometimes when I look at the vlogs or the how-to videos online that people say, oh, this is great for high school, I'm like, I do not have the time for that. I am studying. And if I'm not studying, I'm at practice. And if I'm not at practice, I'm out with friends. My life is chaotic. I don't have time to make a kale salad. I don't like kale. But it doesn't mean I don't want to be healthy either. Just it's not realistic for me. It's not realistic for a lot of the high school students I know. So, that's what I'm here for. I'm here to be the older sister that you would love to learn from. I want to say you never had, but some of you probably have older sisters. I hope I can be mildly entertaining and fun and make you feel comfortable and teach you things and help. And I don't know, just have fun with these videos. That sounds like great. Editing me is gonna have a lot of time. She's gonna have a lot of fun editing this. I also keep looking at the screen rather than the camera, so I'm so sorry. But yeah, this is the end of today, and hopefully the next couple of days will actually be interesting. For exciting news, my swim season starts tomorrow, which is a Monday, of course, and I get to swim. And first, I'm going to pack my swim bag and, of course, pick out a suit for the first day of practice. How about this tie back? And put that in the bag. Now that it is nighttime, I get to answer some emails and just do my computer stuff, my normal computer stuff, and I get to bullet journal, which is super great. It's pretty much the only way I found I can keep myself organized, and I have just the masses of writing and all that stuff. I really enjoy the coloring. I'm no artist, but it is super fun for me, and late at night I like to listen to music and do my work.